This is the EMD GP30 Southern 2601 at the North Carolina Transportation Museum. It is a workhorse of their train ride fleet. It is also my kids' favorite engine at the museum. This is the HO scale version of that exact locomotive that ScaleTrains released last year. And this is the N Scale version, and I'm really excited to show you guys this. Hello, my name's Jimmy. I'm drinking some more of that Colombian Supremo coffee, and this is Coffee and Trains. This video is brought to you with support from Trains.com. Trains.com is a fantastic source for new and used model trains and accessories. As a special offer to my subscribers, you can use the promo code JimmyDIY to get $10 off your order of $50 or more. You can check them out at the link in the description. If you want to tell me what kind of coffee you are drinking and be featured just like these guys right here, you can do that in the comments below, and who knows, you might see your name pop up on an episode of Coffee and Trains. Okay, the GP30 was put into service in 1961 to compete with GE's U25B. Over 900 were built, and rebuilt versions of these locomotives are still in service today. This was the first second-generation EMD diesel and is known for its trademark hump on the back, which housed the dynamic brake blister and the HVAC intake. The model here is ScaleTrains' first N-Scale 4-axle diesel, and it's a good one. GP30s were extremely popular, outselling the U25 by roughly 2 to 1, and they are popular models. Let's take a look at this one. Southern Railway ordered the high hood version of these locomotives due to the desire for bi-directional operation, and the model is no different. It has all of the detail of the real-life locomotive. I can confirm this because I've been right next to this locomotive many times. Everything from the molded on and separately applied details to the paint color are very accurate. The bottom line is that this is a beauty of a model. My personal favorite detail of this and many other ScaleTrains N Scale locomotives are the visible fan blades in the exhaust and the meticulous detail on the trucks. No one details like this out of the box in N Scale, except for ScaleTrains. Okay, enough of what it looks like. This is the DCC and Sound Equip version. It has an ESU Loc Sound 5 Nano decoder and a speaker in the fuel tank, so let's take a listen. It looks good and sounds great. Let's give it a run around my layout. Now, I don't have the old Norfolk Southern smooth side passenger cars that the museum uses, but I do have 3 Pennsylvania passenger cars of a similar color. So I'm going to hook those up and let's run a little excursion train around my layout. This is already one of my favorites and will probably have a semi-permanent spot on my layout once it's complete because my kids will want to run it all the time. It runs very smoothly and has no issues at low speeds or going across any of the bad track spots on my layout. It's a good runner and a good looker too. Just handle it with care because there are a lot of tiny details. I have this and all the other Jeep 30s linked in the description below if you want to pick one of these up. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Stay safe, be kind, drink some coffee, and happy railroading.